Hey there, so my video is about the OxiClean White Revive. It comes in this big tub, and when you have the lid on, there's a little place to put your finger to pop the top off. So, it's chlorine-free, no harsh smell, safe on colors, which right off the bat I like better than bleach, because I don't like the smell of bleach. So, the actual tub, 45 loads, and it comes with a scoop, so it measures right on the side. It tells you how much you would use for what size laundry you had. So there are two different options. You can either put your use it in conjunction with your laundry detergent, or you can, if you have a lot of shirts or whites that are dingy and they're not white anymore, they're almost gray, then you can pre-soak from 1 to 6 hours. So if you were going to use the product with your regular laundry detergent, you would take your laundry detergent and it says a quarter scoop of the OxiClean White Revive, and you'd put it in, and then you'd add your clothes as usual, and you would just run the cycle. I used it for, I have 2 shirts here that looked exactly the same when I started. And I think you can tell the difference. This one's more of a gray shade, and after using the OxiClean White Revive, this is what it turned out to be. So when I go to work, I wear these shirts underneath. We're only allowed to wear solid whites underneath our regular shirts. So what I used it for, the OxiClean for, was to get the whites back to white. So for the before and after, I did the one shirt. So what it says is, basically, I opened up the top of the washing machine, and then it says mix a half to 1 scoop of OxiClean per gallon of the warmest water recommended by the Garment Care label. So you don't use your regular detergent for this, you only use the OxiClean. So you add the warm water, and then you add the OxiClean, and then you dissolve it. So you have to mix it up until it's completely dissolved. And then at that point, what you'll do is, it says submerge stained or dingy whites in solution. So you do that, and like with my washing machine, I left the top open and just let it sit, and I did it for the 6 hours because I wanted the whites to get completely white. And at that point, then it says, so it said soak for 1 to 6 hours, and then wash as normal. So at that point, shut the lid, and just let it run its cycle. So as you can see, this shirt here that started as white is almost as gray as the sweatshirt that I'm wearing now, and here's the white after using the product. So I would highly recommend this product. It's easy to use, it doesn't smell like bleach, and it definitely turns your whites white.